How to mute a Discord channel. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now for this, you have to open Discord app on your mobile or on your desktop. This is basically the same working principle on both of them. So as you open Discord application on your mobile application, as I'm doing it on mobile, then you have to go on the application or the servers option. Now as I'm going to mute this server, then there will be thin lines that are located up above on the server. Click on that, and then you have to scroll down, and over here you will have the option of notification. As you click on notifications option, now you have to turn this notification to suppress all notification or suppress anything, or notification setting to nothing, and this will mute the server. Or you can go to the mute server that is located up above and you can mute it from here. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.